Hi, I'm going to make this really quick. I'm thinking a lot about bacon lately. And sometimes you can get these like ends and pieces for sale. It's like this cheap sack of bacon and kind of the ugly parts, but I mean it's bacon. So there's not really there's not bad bacon, right? What I like to do with a couple pounds of bacon is sort of par cook it off so that it's mostly cooked. You could eat it, or you could cook it again for just like a couple minutes in a frying pan, but it's sort of like ready to go, and then you can have little bacon snacks all throughout the week. So it's nice to take care of a bunch of bacon at once instead of having to continually fry small amounts of bacon like all the time. The way I do that is heat the oven to 325 and get a big old pan or a couple smaller pans. Just spread it out. If this wasn't ends and pieces, I would probably lay the strips more flat from a pack. But these are chunky and I don't care. So I'm going to bake it for like 20-25 minutes. I'm going to check on it after 10 minutes. Maybe move things around a little bit. I don't want it to get crispy. I just want it to get cooked. And then I can finish a few pieces at a time throughout the week later on. Just mix it in with something that's already going, throw it in the pan for a couple minutes, microwave it for a minute, or even just eat it as is, because it will be ready to eat. Cool. See you in 10 minutes. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, it smells really good. It's very greasy. The nice thing about baking your bacon rather than frying it is that you don't have that frying grease all over the place up top. You can kind of contain it in your oven. Yeah, it's coming along just fine. Another 10 minutes, it'll be done. Okay, let's have a look. Perfect. You can see it's getting darker and the edges are starting to get a little bit brownish black, so I'm gonna call that good. Again, some of these pieces I'll probably throw in the frying pan for breakfast, but it'll require only a couple minutes instead of longer. And some of them I might cut up and add as an ingredient to soup or something else, and some of them I might just snack on. Keep in mind that all of that grease in the pan is like solid gold, well, liquid gold, and it shouldn't go to waste. So I like to take a glass jar or metal, something that's not going to melt, and just try to collect a good amount of the grease. And I'll use that in place of butter for cooking, especially breakfast. I like to fry my breakfast potatoes in bacon grease. I mean, think about it. That's not even everything. I'm gonna let this cool, throw it in a container, and keep it in the fridge for probably about a week to 2 weeks. Thanks for watching.